Hello and welcome. My name is Brad Gronemeyer. I'm the Service Repair Coordinator here at Hydraquip, Houston. Today I'm going to show you the day in life of a repair. Each repair that comes through our facility starts its life next to our stationary shipping and receiving computer, where we have a web-based app called FastField. Our receiving technician will take incoming pictures of the repair and will get delegated as not evaluated in our FastField program.
Incoming repairs are assigned to technicians by incoming date.
And from there, they begin the teardown process. The repairer will get a hot steam rotating bath to get all dirt and grime out from bolt holes to make it easier disassembled. Once it's cleaned off and washed, the pump will get torn down and evaluated, and components that can be reworked back to Danfoss factory specs will get lapped on our 36-inch lapping table to the minimum specs required to be reused. Once the technician has reworked any components that can save the customer money, he does an evaluation write-up.
The write-up shows all the parts needed for the repair that need to be ordered. These items will have pictures taken and logged into our FastField program so a PDF can be shared with the customer.
The technician will also change the status from not evaluated to evaluated, which will cue our Insight team to start the quote process. Once the quote has been sent out to the customer and the customer has sent back a PO, parts will then be ordered.
After receiving the parts from Danfoss, they are staged on our completed parts shelf. Once they are staged, they are assigned to a technician for repair.
Once they have completed the repair build-up process, the repair will be taken to our 200 horsepower test stand where it goes through a rigorous test, and we will document all test reports and settings. Everything that comes through this shop will get a test report and will get tested on the 200 horsepower test stand. After the test has been completed and the test report has been documented, the repair will be taken to the shipping department and painted and prepped for shipping.